If I only had a chance to teach you one thing about investing, it would be this. Understanding this simple concept will put you ahead of most other people even before you buy a single stock, and might very well make you a fortune eventually. It's a perpetual motion engine that powers your long-term investment returns. It's something that Albert Einstein called the eighth wonder of the world. I'm talking about compound interest. Compound interest is interest that is earned both on the original investment and on any interest that has already been accumulated. In essence, it's interest on interest. The easiest way to understand how it works is on this quick example. Let's say you have $1,000. Your local bank offers you two different types of savings accounts. Both have the exact same rate of 5%, but account A offers you simple interest, while account B, compound interest. If you pick account A, you will earn $50 each year. Your balance after 10 years will therefore be $1,500. That's $1,000 of your original investment plus $500 of interest, $50 multiplied by 10 years. With account B, you will earn the same $50 in year 1. However, in year 2, your interest will be $52.50. The extra $2.50 came as interest earned on last year's interest. Remember that interest on interest thing I mentioned before? That's exactly it. You may say, well, that's just $2.50, no big deal, right? Wrong. Remember, interest gets compounded each year, and the difference is only going to get bigger. By year 10, account B will have a balance $1,628.91. That's over $128 more on the same investment with the same rate, and the gap will only grow wider with each passing year. Imagine compound interest as a rolling snowball, something that starts small but keeps building upon itself and becomes progressively larger as time passes, much like a snowball rolling down a hill. There is no better real-world example to illustrate this than the so-called sale of Manhattan Island to the Dutch in 1626 for mere $24. Few would disagree that the indigenous people got a, raw deal on that one. But did they really? Let's take a look at some numbers. In 2014, Rutgers University economists estimated the land value of Manhattan to be worth $1.4 trillion. Now, let's imagine that the indigenous people took those $24 and invested them at 7% interest. Can you guess how much it would be worth now? Let me know in the comments. No, seriously, take a guess and note it down in the comments, and I'll wait. Okay, ready? That $24 investment would be worth more than $12.7 trillion today. Want to know how much you'd get with a simple, non-compounded interest? $694.32. Obviously, that's a bit of an exaggerated example. After all, not many investors have an investment horizon of 400 years. So let's take another example from a real-life investor. Ever heard of this guy? If you wonder how exactly he earned his massive fortune, a quick and simple answer would be compound interest. I may touch more on his strategies and beliefs in the upcoming videos, but for now, take my word for it. One of the best things about compound interest is that it works for any sums, no matter how big or small. Take this example. Let's say you decide to save $1 each day for the next 30 years and invest it in the stock market. The historical S&P 500 return has been around 10% per year. So let's take this 10% rate for the purpose of our exercise. If you save $1 a day, you'll earn $10,950 in simple interest. But with compound interest, you'll gain over $69,000. That's 6 times more when compared to simple interest. And if we extend the time horizon from 30 to 40 years, that turns into $208,000. That's 3 times more money in just 10 extra years. Again, from saving just $1 a day. Compound interest is heavily backloaded, which is why, in order to reap the biggest benefits, starting early is key. Invest as early as you can and let compound interest do the work for you. As the saying goes, the best time to start was yesterday. The second best time is now. Remember, investing should not be difficult. You can learn it in 5 minutes at a time. So keep learning with 5-Minute Investing.